Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Have you all sent the mail to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else remaining?
I didn't send
Ma'am.
that mail to give in the class. I sent it in the class.
Ananya?
Ma'am, you gave in the group another email ID, right?
You did not send it?
Ma'am, I sent it first with which ID you gave in the class.
Oh, okay. You sent it to me in the first mail ID.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Can you send it in the other one so that it will
Okay,
be
ma'am.
easy for me to
Ma'am,
check
today send it.
altogether?
Ma'am, today send it.
Okay, okay. It's okay. So those who have not sent, send it to me fast. Okay, I have just started reading, and some of the mails are very, very exciting, really funny. I'm really enjoying. Few of you are very creative, imaginative. Okay, I'll give you the comments later once we start discussing about another worksheet from the workbook. Okay, so let's continue with our story. Which is the chapter that we are dealing with?
Grandpa fights an ostrich.
Fights an ostrich. And who is the author?
Ruskin Bond.
Did you go through the 2 paragraphs which we did in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Good. So close your books. Let me quickly brush up your memory by asking you some questions. First question is to Abhyuday. Abhyuday,
Yes, ma'am.
where was grandfather working before he joined the Indian Railways? Where was grandfather working before he joined the Indian Railways? Don't look into the text. Very, very simple questions. Okay. What is the answer, Abhyuday? Abhyuday is searching for answer.
No, ma'am.
Then what? It's just an objective question. Aaron?
East African Railway.
Yes. Grandfather was working on East African Railways before he joined Indian Railways. Okay. Then next question is to Sian. How far was
Yes, ma'am.
grandfather's workplace from his place of residence? How far was grandfather's workplace from his place of residence?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
I repeated twice already, maybe because of connectivity problem. How far was grandfather's workplace from his place of residence? Did you hear me, Sian?
12 miles.
Yes, 12 miles. His workplace was 12 miles
Yes,
from his
ma'am.
place of residence. Okay. Next question is to Anna.
Ma'am,
How did grandfather go for his work? Or what was the mode of transportation when he went for his work?
ma'am, by horse he usually go, but there
Okay,
was
okay, that's enough. That's enough. I asked you, that's all. Okay. He went for work on horseback. Next question to Anandu.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why did grandfather decide to go on foot?
Because his horse met with an accident.
Yes. I think I have told you not to begin your answer using because.
Yes, ma'am.
Because is a conjunction. Are you learning it in grammar?
Yes,
Because is a conjunction. You can only connect it between 2 sentences. Okay. So never ever begin your answer using because. Anandu, give me the complete answer. Why did grandfather decide to do the journey on foot?
The grandfather decided
Journey
to
or go on foot?
journey on foot, go on foot because
Yes.
his horse met with an accident.
Very good. Now the answer is perfect.
Yes.
Grandfather decided to journey on foot because his horse met with an accident. All right. Then next question is to Ashish.
Yes, ma'am.
How many miles could grandfather save if he go through the shortcut?
Miles.
Yes?
6 miles.
Doubtful?
No, ma'am, 6 miles.
Yes, 6 miles. Yes, grandfather will be able to save 6 miles if we travel through shortcut. Okay. Then, Harriet,
Yes,
give
ma'am.
me any one characteristic feature of ostriches. Any one characteristic feature of ostriches.
They run fast.
Yes, they can run fast. Anthony, another point. Quick. Anthony.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Anthony, can you give me any other characteristic of ostriches? In the last class, we discussed many. No response. Vrissa?
The male ostriches are very aggressive.
Yes, very good. The male ostriches are very aggressive. Devaganga? Next point. Her video got stuck. Emil? Emil?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, ask the question, ma'am.
Give me any one characteristic feature of ostriches.
Ma'am, ostriches can kill someone or something by kicking them.
Yes, very good. They can kill someone or something by kicking. Next. Shravana?
Ma'am, ostriches live in groups.
Yes, ostriches live in groups. Okay. Any other point?
Yes, ma'am.
Amita? Amita?
I was not there in last class.
You were not there in last class. It's not an
I'm going to
excuse.
see the.
Oh, you're
recorded
going to see.
first.
No. If you're absent in one session, before the next session comes, you're supposed to see the recorded session.
No, because I'm in my grandmother's house. There's some net connection problem. So,
All right.
like,
Okay. Accepted.
Can I take?
Aaron?
ostriches have very strong legs.
Ostriches have very strong legs. Any other point remaining? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Anantu is ready.
Ma'am, ostriches lay the largest eggs in the world.
Ostriches lay the largest eggs in the world.
Ostrich have 3 stomachs.
Okay. Then
Ma'am, they cannot.
Their brain is
Ma'am, they cannot fly.
they cannot fly.
their brain is smaller than their eye.
Their brain is smaller than their eyes. Then
They are the largest birds.
largest
Ma'am,
birds. Then
Ma'am, they can run very fast.
yes, that we already said. They can run very fast. One more point. I'm looking for one more point. Though they are very large in size,
Ma'am, they have long legs.
They have,
okay, long legs, agreed.
ma'am, their brains are smaller than their.
Their brains are smaller, agreed. All these points we have discussed.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, they are very scared. Even if they see a dog, they will
Yes.
run away.
Yes, exactly. That was the point that I was looking for. Though they are very huge in size, they would run faster than a horse race if they see a small dog nearby.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are some of the characteristic features of ostriches. Okay. So in the last class, we hardly discussed 2 paragraphs and you're all thorough with it. Are you not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I want somebody else to summarize. That will be helpful for the absentees. Who is going to summarize? Devika. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We learned a new chapter, chapter 7, Grandpa Fights an Ostrich. In this, the narrator's grandfather, he worked for a few years on the East African Railways before he joined in the Indian Railways.
Yes.
Then, yeah. It was during that time that he had his now famous encounter with an ostrich.
Mm.
So it is a story or incident
Mm.
um, which was by his grandfather.
Mm.
Yeah. Then he says that he had a miraculous escape from death
Mm.
while he was working on the laying of a new railway line in Africa.
Mm.
He lived in a small town, but his workplace lay some 12 miles away.
Mm.
So he had to go on the work site on the back of horse every day.
Mm.
But unfortunately, one day his horse met with an accident.
Mm.
So he decided to complete his journey on foot.
Mm.
Then he also knew a shortcut through
Mm.
the hills, which would save him about 6 miles.
Yes.
Um, this shortcut went through an ostrich farm,
Mm.
and he was fairly familiar with the ostrich and knew that the male birds are very aggressive.
Mm.
And he felt that his dog would scare away any bird that might try to attack him.
Mm.
Strange, yeah, he says that strange though it may seem,
Mm.
even the biggest ostrich, and some of them which grew up to the height of 9 feet, will run faster than a racehorse at the sight of even a small dog.
Mm.
That means like ostriches are very scared. Um, so after hearing this, he felt quite safe.
All right. All right. Mm. More or less, you read it out from the text. Isn't it, Devika? That's what I felt. Okay. But anyway, it's good. So, why do you think he has taken a shortcut even though he knew that that place is full of dangerous ostriches?
And
What is the reason?
because otherwise it may be too long for him to walk on foot.
Yes. He decided to walk on foot. So, if he does not take a shortcut, it will be a long way for him to reach his workplace. And, children, can you make it personal? What would have you done in place of grandfather if such a thing happens? If your horse has met with an accident, how would you go to your workplace? Hmm?
And now,
believe. I want to go.
Ashish, very brilliant. Look at that. He says that he would take leave. How long? How long you will take leave? If for example, if it takes for 1 or 2 weeks for your host to come back to its normal state, will you take leave for 2 weeks?
No, ma'am, I will take someone's horse. I'll ask him.
Oh, okay. You will borrow somebody else's horse. That's a good idea. Yes. Smriti?
Ma'am, like if we are doing this in a cartoon, like we'll dress like ostriches and walk through the farm.
Okay. You'll just change your form into ostrich?
No, ma'am, we'll just wear a costume or something that looks like an
Oh.
ostrich so that the ostriches won't recognize it's a human.
Wow, very imaginative. You would wear the costume of an ostrich, huh? You would change your shape and you would just happily go through that ostrich farm. I liked it. Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, Anantu.
ma'am, now technology is there, so we can drive car and go, right?
Now technology has developed,
So we can drive cars and go. So we have bikes, cars. So we
no, not in the present. If you were in the olden times, I'm asking about olden times.
like that.
Huh? Finished?
Ma'am,
Tell me. Think, be creative. Tell me something. Yes, Smriti.
ma'am, we'll bring a person with us who knows how to deal with ostriches.
Okay, you would seek help of a person who can deal with ostriches. All right, Ananya,
Ma'am, I'll buy a new horse.
you will buy a new horse. Okay, good. Anna,
Ma'am, by cart.
by cart. Okay, you will go to your workplace by cart. All right, good. Anybody else has got any other different ideas? No. All right. Okay. Good response. So we'll continue page number 75. Who is going to read now? No one is ready. Shravana, yes. Read.
When I arrived at the camp,
Mm.
I climbed through the wire fencing,
Wire fencing.
keeping a good lookout. I ran across the open space between the thorn bushes.
Between the thorn bushes.
Now and then, I caught a
glimpse of. I caught a glimpse of
the birds feeding some distance away. I had gone about half a mile from the fencing when a hare ran across my path. In an instant, my dog began to chase it. I tried calling him back even though I knew it was hopeless. Chasing hares was the dog's passion.
Okay, next paragraph. Sian, read.
Okay, ma'am.
Read.
Ma'am, Devika is in the waiting room.
Devika is in the waiting room. But I can't see anybody here. I can't see anyone here in the waiting room. Okay, let her come. Sian, read.
Okay, ma'am. I don't know whether it was the dog's bark or
Please
my
be
own
louder, a
shouting.
little more louder.
Okay, ma'am. I don't know whether it was the dog's bark or my own shouting, but I wanted to avoid most immediately happened. The ostriches were startled and began running to and fro. Suddenly, I saw a big male bird about 100 yards away. He stood still and stared at me for a few moments. I stared back. Then, lifting his short wings and holding his tail erect, he began running very fast towards me.
All right, all right. I was about to take pictures for you. When it is time, I'll show you. Yeah. When I arrived at the camp, I climbed through the wire fencing. Which camp is referred here? Which camp? Soldiers camp?
Ostrich camp.
Oh, ostriches camp. Yes. When I arrived at the camp, who arrived at the camp? Father. When grandfather arrived at the camp, he climbed through the wire fencing. What do you mean by wire fencing? What is wire
Ma'am,
fencing?
it is like a fence. Ma'am, it is used for.
Can you see it on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wire fencing. If you want, you can take a note on this. A barrier or railing. A barrier or railing, typically of wood or wire, enclosing an area of ground to prevent somebody from entering. Okay, as a kind of control or access.
Ma'am, usually these wirings and all are seen around farms and
Yes, yes.
areas.
That's it. These wire fences are seen around farms. So what is the context here in the story? Ostrich's farm. Grandfather is about to cross the ostrich's farm. So these are different kinds of wire fencing that you can see. Just to prevent the entering of...
Can you speak English?
Pardon? Is it clear to you children? What is wire fencing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A barrier or railing, typically of wood or wire, enclosing an area of ground to prevent control or access or escape. Okay. So grandfather, when he arrived at the camp, he climbed through the wire fencing. Keeping a good lookout, I ran across the open spaces between the thorn bushes. Now and then I caught a glimpse of the birds feeding some distance away. So what did grandfather notice when he was crossing the farm?
Ma'am, he noticed that the birds were having, like, they were staring or looking at him.
Grandfather noticed a group of ostriches, okay, while he was crossing the farm. I caught a glimpse of, what do you mean by glimpse? Glimpse.
Ma'am, a small or quick look.
Glimpse. Glimpse means a
Ma'am, a
momentary look, momentary view. Something that you see for a short period of time. Momentary view or a partial view. Okay. I caught a glimpse of the birds feeding some distance away. So grandfather knew that these male ostriches are very aggressive and it is very dangerous to cross this particular farm. But still, since he could save 6 miles to his workplace, he thought of crossing this ostrich's farm. I had gone about half a mile from the fencing when a hare ran across my path. So what happened just after he crossed half a mile? What happened? A hare
A hare
ran across. What is hare?
Ma'am, rabbit.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Rabbit.
Ma'am, but
Rabbit.
it is
Kind of.
like kind. It is larger than a rabbit.
Yes.
It is not a rabbit, but it's larger. It's a kind
Yes.
of
And-
species.
A kind of rabbit belonging to the same
Yeah,
family
that
or
family.
category, but it is much bigger than the rabbit. Hare.
Ma'am, we can
Yes.
tell like wild rabbits. Like
Yes. I had gone about half a mile from the fencing when a hare ran across my path. In an instant, at that moment, my dog began to chase it. So immediately, when his dog saw this hare, what happened? The dog began to chase the hare. But actually, what was grandfather so confident about? Why he decided to travel through the ostrich farm?
Ma'am,
So
he
that
knew
when
that
the
dog
dog
would,
will scare the ostrich,
dog would
ma'am, he
chase
thought
the
that
eagle
his
bird that tries to
dog
attack
would.
him.
Yes, grandfather was so confident because he had dog to accompany him, and in case if ostriches come to attack him, his dog would scare them away. But here, something unexpected has happened. At that moment, when he crossed half a mile of the fence, what happened? The hare ran across his path and the dog began to chase it. I tried calling him back, even though I knew it was hopeless. Chasing hares was that dog's passion. Passion means? What is passion?
Which we,
Ma'am,
ma'am, which he would love to
his
do.
favorite thing to do.
Yes, something
Like
that we
hobby.
like a lot. Passion, a great interest.
Kind of
So chasing
hobby.
hares was a great passion for the dog. So grandfather realized that there is no use in calling him back. I don't know whether it was the dog's bark or my own shouting, but what I wanted to avoid most immediately happened. What had caused his fears to come true? Or how grandfather's fears come true?
Ma'am, maybe one of the ostrich came to attack him.
What was grandfather expecting while he was crossing the ostrich's farm? He
Ma'am,
feared
his dog would
there is a chance of attack
attack
side of
The
ostriches.
ostrich.
Okay,
from the.
but just because he had the dog with him, he was quite confident that the dog would chase them away. But now the most unexpected thing has come into place. His dog chased the hare and went away, and grandfather was left all alone. And he does not know whether the shouting sound of him or the dog's barking sound made the ostriches alert. But what he really wanted to avoid happened. The ostriches were startled and began running to and fro. Okay, ostriches were peacefully feeding inside the farm, but the moment they heard some unfamiliar sound, that is the sound of grandfather or a dog's bark, they were startled. They became so worried and surprised. They got panicked and they started running to and fro. They started to move here and there. So a complete chaos happened. Suddenly, I saw a big male bird about 100 yards away. He stood still and stared at me for a few moments. Oh my goodness. So, what grandfather wanted to avoid has happened. He was all left alone inside the compound of the farm, and a big male ostrich started to stare at him. That ostrich might have understood that this is the man who came to disturb us. So he was looking, he was staring, looking for a long time. Okay, he stared at grandfather for a few minutes. I stared back, but is there any use if we stare back at the ostriches?
Oh, ma'am.
No use. They will not be frightened.
I'm ready
Ma'am,
to run.
Yes. But they can run faster than us. So what will we do?
Ma'am, there is another when someone is staring at us, if we stare them back, they'll get more irritated.
Yes, that is in case
Ma'am.
of human beings, but
No,
not
ma'am.
animals.
No, ma'am, in animals itself, for like hippopotamus, rhinos, like they're animals, right? If we do like an eye contact with them, they will get aggressive and they'll start attacking
Yes,
us.
yes, we should
Ma'am.
not provoke animals. If they become aggressive, they will surely attack us.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's dangerous for us. Yeah, Devika,
Ma'am.
you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. I have a turkey in my house. Turkey hen. Like
Mhm.
if anyone unfamiliar comes,
Mm.
like they will make a special sound.
Ah, yes, yes, I have heard
Go here
that
and there.
special sound.
Yes, ma'am. The
Yes.
male birds are good at scaring away the snakes and all.
Yes, yes. Animals have lots and lots of peculiarities, birds and animals. Yeah. So this big male ostrich started to stare at grandfather, but grandfather stared at back, but no use. Then lifting his short wings and holding his tail erect, erect means straight, he began running very fast towards me. My goodness. Now the situation has become very
Bus.
yes, very strange. Something unexpected has happened. Grandfather has no way to escape. The male bird began running very fast towards him. Let me ask you, children, have you ever been chased by an animal or a bird? No, bird, there is no
Yes,
chance of
ma'am.
that.
Bird is there.
Yes.
Bird.
Ma'am, I have been chased by a dog, bloody dog.
Ma'am,
How come? How come, Ashish?
And two dogs. Ma'am,
Huh?
I was walking. One dog chased me. I ran into an house.
You ran into a house. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was chased by an chick. Not chick. That means
Rooster.
a hen.
Rooster. Rooster.
Okay, okay. Then?
That means it is about double of a normal rooster. That means that must be white color. White color. And
Oh.
it was our neighbors. So it was its beak red color and the body was white color. It started jumping and came back.
And what did you do when it started chasing you?
Ma'am, what can we do? I only run. I run to
You just ran with your life. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, Smriti.
ma'am, this didn't actually happen to me. It happened to my cousin sister. Like when we were playing at our neighbor's house, there were many hens. So one of the roosters, she actually accidentally went near it. So it started to chase her, and at last it gave a small bite at her back. It
Okay.
was like just as Ananda Krishnan told, it was very big.
It was very?
Very big, not the size of a normal rooster.
All right, all right. Anybody else would like to share your experience of being chased by an animal?
Ma'am, I have been chased by a rooster.
You also have been chased by a rooster.
Yes, ma'am.
Same. I have an experience just to share with you, just like Ashish told. When I was in my school days, okay, mostly I was at your age, almost maybe in the 5th or 6th, I don't remember exactly. One day I found a dog in a school compound. Okay, so it happened after the class. Soon after the bell rang, we all came out of the class with our bags and books and all. And when I saw the dog, at that time, I never knew that we are not supposed to throw stones at dog. They will easily get provoked, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when I was a student, I never knew that if I was under the impression that if I throw stone at the dog, it would just run away. But on the contrary, what happened is that when I saw the dog, I took a stone and I stared at it very angrily and I threw the stone at the dog. Okay, my goodness. Within no seconds, the dog started chasing me. Oh, I really don't know how I escaped. I ran with all my strength, and since my house was nearby, I was rescued. I just got into the house and I closed the gate. Okay, that was a horrible experience that I will never forget. So
Ma'am,
being
I
chased
just
by
Ma'am, I was chased by a pug only.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my
I didn't
speaking at the
mother.
same time, Ashish and Anandu. Yes, tell me, Ashish.
Ma'am, I didn't throw stones.
You did not throw stone, but dog simply chased you. But
Yes, ma'am.
I did a mistake. Okay, from that time onwards, I learned we are not supposed to throw any stones at these animals, especially
Ma'am,
dogs. Mm.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Smriti.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is not particularly about throwing stones. If we see a dog and if we get startled, they'll understand that and they'll come chasing us. If we just go away as if we haven't seen it, it won't do anything.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
if the
That's a fact. That's a
yes,
fact.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If the dog know that if a dog knows that we are scared of him, it will start chasing us.
That is true, but you know, I always get scared of these dogs.
Yes, ma'am.
Cats
Normal
is
dogs, no
okay,
problem.
but
Black
dogs,
color
oh my
dogs,
god.
ma'am.
Before
Black
last
color
year, I
dogs.
used to go to the church early in the morning. Okay, early in the morning, even before when it is dark, during the dark time, and there will be no street lights. So, with the help of the mobile torch, I walk to the church. And after coming back from the church, one naughty dog, a blacky dog, would follow me.
Yes, ma'am. Most of the time, black's dog only will
Yes,
like
and it
chase
will
us.
be just walking behind me. Then I will start simply praying. You know, there is no point in running. I can't run because it will follow me and it will bite me. So I will just walk slowly, slowly, praying within my heart. So these are all some kind of strange experiences with animals.
Yes, ma'am. I have a dog, Doberman. So one day when he went out in the road by mistakenly, one grandmother, she was walking there.
Mm.
When she saw him, she started throwing stones.
Mm.
When he saw that, he became more angry,
Mm.
and he's going to bite something.
Oh,
Suddenly, we caught
that's the
him.
problem.
Yeah.
See, these dogs can sense our emotions very fast.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
why we consider them as very faithful animal. You know, they get
Yes, ma'am.
easily mingle with human beings. But then there is no way for me. I will be scared the moment I see a dog. If it's a pet dog
Ma'am,
and if it's a kennel, it's okay.
it will be nice.
But
And
otherwise,
that dog, one pug chased me. That means it likes me. I gave him food for that. It started barking. That means when it cares somebody, it will bark like that, right? I didn't know that. I ran. It came back of me. It was my cousin's pug. So we used to call him Caesar and all. So he
all
came
right.
and ran back
Okay.
of me.
So the class was so lively. Thank you, children, for interacting very well. We will continue the next class. Okay. So just go through the 2 paragraphs which we did today. Okay. The chapter is quite
Okay, ma'am.
interesting, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. I'll meet you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.